Hello students. Apna Study presents you the Hindu News Bulletins for the 16th of June. Let's dive in.
National News. COVID-19 vaccination, first death due to anaphylaxis.
A 68-year-old man died from anaphylaxis, severe allergic reaction, after being vaccinated with Covishield on March 8. The death is reported as a vaccine product-related reaction in the report. The Health Ministry on Tuesday said the number of deaths reported following COVID-19 vaccination in the country is only 0.0002% of 23.5 crore doses administered.
COVID-19 vaccine supply continues to grow.
Nearly 25 crore COVID-19 vaccine doses have been supplied to the states and the union territories by the centre and through the direct state procurement channel. This was about 7 crore doses more than what was supplied about a month back on May 11th. Chhattisgarh, Himachal Pradesh and Gujarat are enjoying a relatively good stock position.
Lok Janshakti Party ownership battle.
A day after the internal coup in the Lok Janshakti Party, LJP, an intense ownership battle emerged between the two factions. One headed by Chirag Paswan and the other by his uncle Pashupati Nath Paras, who led the rebellion. The question of ownership of the party will be settled by the Election Commission.
Former Deputy Chief Minister Sachin Pilot losing his grip on MLAs.
Several of the MLAs considered loyal to Mr. Pilot have expressed faith in CM Ashok Gehlot's leadership. Sources in the Congress said this situation would automatically result in the cabinet expansion being deferred by a couple of months. Mr. Sharma, the oldest legislator in the Assembly at 76, said he had no complaints against the government now.
COVID-19 Odisha reports 3,405 COVID-19 positive cases.
4,339 cases were reported on Monday, a decline of 21.52% on a single day. 42 persons were reported to have succumbed to COVID-19, taking the toll to 3,388 on Tuesday. The Health and Family Welfare Department said 8,735 persons had tested positive while the TPR was 14.2% on June 1.
The Supreme Court agrees to adjourn the hearing on post-poll violence.
The Supreme Court agreed to a request by the Union government to adjourn the hearing on petitions seeking a CBI or a SIT, Special Investigation Team, investigation into incidents of post-poll violence in West Bengal. The court was primarily hearing a joint petition filed by the family members of BJP activists Abhijit Sarkar and Haran Adhikari, who were killed allegedly in the violence following the assembly polls in May.
Bihar BJP and JDU, Part 1.
The breakaway of the majority of the Lok Janshakti Party (LJP) parliamentary unit from Lok Sabha MP Chirag Paswan to form an independent group in the lower house will have far-reaching consequences for the NDA equations in Bihar. The split between the two NDA allies, the BJP and the JDU, remains at 17 and 16 seats respectively in the Lok Sabha.
International news. The Chinese mission to the European Union denounced a NATO statement.
NATO allies joined the US on Monday by formally criticizing Beijing as a constant security challenge. Chinese news release said the NATO statement was a slander on China's peaceful development, a misjudgment of the international situation and NATO's own role.
COVID-19 The Chinese scientist at the center of theories.
Dr. Shi Zhengli is an expert in bat coronaviruses. Some scientists have said she could have been leading so-called gain-of-function experiments. Dr. Zhengli has denied that her institution was to blame for the pandemic. She said, "How on earth can I offer up evidence for something where there is no evidence?"
US-Russia relations at an impasse.
Putin and Biden to meet at Villa in Geneva on Wednesday with tensions high over a long list of disputes. Russian and US ambassadors could go back to their posts if the summit goes well, Putin aide says. "I view this meeting with practical optimism, but not much. It is a first meeting under difficult circumstances."
Trump's allies pressured the DOJ to investigate 2020 election fraud, new emails show.
Newly released emails reveal how Mr. Trump and his allies pressured members of the US government to challenge the 2020 election over false claims. Former Attorney General William Barr, a longtime Trump loyalist, was among those who said there was no evidence of widespread voter fraud.
The US government unveiled national strategy to combat domestic terrorism.
The US government unveiled its national strategy, which has 4 pillars that focus on prevention, interruption and dissuasion. The plan is, however, ideologically neutral, and consists of 4 pillars. The Biden administration wants to improve information sharing on extremist groups or individuals at the federal and local level.
Business news. Dr. Reddy's Laboratories, #Pty Ltd.
Dr. Reddy Laboratories said one of its subsidiaries had been asked to pay $46.25 million to Pty Ltd. The pharmaceutical company said it was exploring all legal options to challenge the award. The award was issued by the International Center for Dispute Resolution, US.
Covaxin vaccine manufacturer Bharat Biotech says 150 rupees per dose is a non-competitive price.
Bharat Biotech has said the price of 150 rupees per dose at which the vaccine is being supplied to the center is non-competitive. A higher price in private markets is thus required to offset part of the costs, the firm said. It added that it had so far invested over 500 crore rupees at risk, in product development, clinical trials and setting up manufacturing facilities for Covaxin.
Sports news. Test cricket, which is your best team?
The World Test Championship (WTC) final this week will be played between the 2 best teams in the world. New Zealand won the final test and the series after making 6 changes. India's bowling attack was possibly their weakest of the series. Yet India won that test and with it the series with their next best team.
Copa America preview. Argentina vs Chile.
Argentina drew 1-1 with Chile in their Copa America opener. Lionel Messi opened the scoring with a stunning free kick in the 33rd minute. Eduardo Vargas equalized for Chile in the 57th minute. Paraguay lead Group A after a 3-1 win over Bolivia in Guyana.